I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio.
Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Before I get into today's video, remember that I've got a second channel, Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs, and www.farpointfarms.com. Love to have you head over to both of those and check them out. And if you're feeling up to it, maybe you can become a subscriber. Anyway, on to this. I'm excited to be able to announce this to the universe. Radioddity has entered the AM and FM CB radio game, making them, I think, I'm pretty positive, only the second company to have an FCC approved FM 40 channel CB radio. Here it is, and this is going to be going into my Mirage because this thing is really cool. They also brought back one of my favorite types of radios, the one-hander. Yeah, man, this thing is going to be awesome. Actually, we'll take a look here at the manual first. The CS-47 CB radio, that part hides somewhere. You can put it anywhere because modern cars, it's so hard to find a spot, you know, to put a radio these days. Well, they've figured out a great solution to that, and as you can see, we've got it right there. And let's see, the manual here, it's about 5 pages. Oh no, it's got the back too. 7 pages plus some instructions in another language, so 7 pages in English. Look at how small this booger is here too. There it is. Not a very big radio, but it does have a nice big heat sink. We do have an external speaker plug on the back. We do have a PL259 connector, and we have our wiring. There is a bottom mounted speaker here, so you're going to get your sound out of this part as well. On the front, Radioddity CS-47 and our big plug. It looks like maybe I don't know, a Cat 7 or something like that. But that's not the cool part. This is the cool part. Well, yeah, it also comes with a mic holder and brackets and such to mount this thing. But this part. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it. Check it out. The one-hander has returned, and it is looking really good. Nice long cord here, and all our controls are right here on the handle. So right now in the Mirage, I've got a Midland 77-822, nice, you know, compact unit, but missing some features and functions that I would love to have, like a full-time bright LED display and some other stuff too. Let's be honest, that's a very dated design, but it's a great radio. I'm not bashing Midland by any means, but this takes it to a whole new level. AM and FM and all the doodads. So we got a speaker here, we got a microphone there, volume up and down, emergency / function. Looks like automatic squelch control and squelch controls, AF, and it looks like a lock. Then when top, power on and off, channel up and down, and of course push to talk there. And it's just a nice, I mean, like size-wise, look at the thickness of it. It is no bigger than a regular microphone. In fact, it's a little bit thinner than a regular microphone. So, whoop, here is a vintage pace. So it's maybe, you know, a billionth of an inch taller, but it's actually thinner than a regular walkie-talkie microphone or a regular microphone off a 40 channel from the old days. So I am, yeah, I saw it, I fell in love with it. Of course, it's got a connection on the back to hook into your you know, your regular mic holder, and of course it comes with that as well. Yeah, well, what I'm going to do, I'm not installing it in the Mirage today, but I will make a follow-up video of installing it in the Mirage, and we'll do some range tests with it then. But I am going to plug it in. We'll go through the features and functions up close and personal here on the bench, and who knows, maybe we'll make a contact or two. Let's do it. All right, here we are. I've got it here on the bench. Let me go ahead and turn it on. You press that top button, and she turns on. And I'll tell you, it's got a lot. Let me turn the volume down here. You can hear Skip is rolling a little bit today anyway. Right here, channel 28. Right above it says CB. We got a bar graph down the bottom. If I key down, it goes TX and goes to max. AM and FM are listed up on the top here. I mean, it's just a beautiful setup here. And so if we press it just real quick, we've just muted this thing. Press it again, and our volume comes back up. Roll through the channels here. lot of stuff going on there, right? Push to talk on the side. Okay, so we have AM and FM mode. You can see it switch back and forth there. I'll zoom the camera in a little bit more here. Then we have Squelch Control. There's a lot of levels of squelch. Go all the way up and we get into a higher squelch mode, right? Now if I want to scan, want to have my squelch on, press and hold for 7 seconds. There she goes, and you can see. Beautiful, working just like it should. You can see the dot blinking there, right? To get off of that, we'll just turn off scan. Really nice stuff this thing's coming with here. So we have our squelch. If we long press, that's going to bring up automatic squelch control, and so there's another menu there for that as well. Emergency, 9 and 19. Press and hold. And we get into menu color choices, right? All right, we'll move on here. And like I said, volume up and down. There's the microphone right there. Hopefully you can see that. And then there is the speaker. And I'm just so impressed with this thing, so that's really cool. We'll get into the menu, and there's a lot of stuff going on there. I won't go through every bit of it, but I will when I do the install. So press and hold, and we can change our color. We got Roger beep. So what color do you want to have? We got blue, yellow. I like purple's pretty cool. Darker blue, a real deep blue, green, and red. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to leave it at green. No, I'm not, because you can't see that. Okay, I'll have to leave it at red. But it also changes the backlighting of the buttons. Okay. Beep. Do we want the beep to be on when we press? Press and hold and turn that off. Now we don't have the beep. High cut, time off talk, or time on talk there, as you can turn that on and off or change it down. I mean, there's just so much going on here. Scan times, noise reduction, Roger beep. Let's go ahead and change that to on. Yeah. And there's different Roger beeps. That's the one I'm going to stick with. I mean, this thing is awesome, guys. I can't wait to get this in the Mirage. It's too cold right now, or I'd be outside playing with this thing right now. But this is just, I mean, and it sounds good too. Man, I wanted to throw this out there. I wanted to show this thing off. This, I like this. AM and FM, handheld, all the functions, easy to read display. It's everything that you're going to want out of a one-hander in the modern era. And man, I'll tell you, like, you can fit, I want to scan out, pan out, sorry. You can fit that just about anywhere in a modern car. You fit it under your seat if you have to, right? In fact, that's might be where I put it, is underneath my seat, and then have this just hanging right in the cup holder. But that is just so awesome. It's the Radioddity. It is the CS, what is it, 47, I think? Yeah, CS-47. My friends, Radioddity really hit the mark with this one. This is a great compact radio. This offers everything you'd want out of a little CB, and I'll tell you, yeah, I'm real impressed. I'll leave a link where you can pick this up, and thanks to Radioddity for sending this my way. I didn't know what to expect. I am very, very pleasantly surprised, so I appreciate it. Take care, my friends.